latest are on Hurricane Hillary, and forewarned forecaster Isabella Fredrickson joins me now. Now, we were talking a little bit about some of the impacts that we could possibly see. More off towards the west, we're talking that could see more impacts. So for us here in southern Arizona, what does that mean?
Well, the further west you are, closer to California, the bigger impacts you're going to face and the more alert you're going to want to be. But in southern Arizona, we are still feeling impacts from Hurricane Hillary. I like to say the good news is it's not hitting us directly, but the bad news is we will still be feeling its effects. For example, right now, Pima County and Santa Cruz County are under a wind advisory that will be in place until tonight at 10 p.m. And as I mentioned, the further you are west, the closer you are to California, the more impacts you will feel. That's why further this way, we're seeing another flood watch and a high wind warning. Right now, as we look at Hurricane Hillary, we've now bumped it down to a Category 1, which is good considering it was at a Category 4 these past few days. She has weakened significantly in the last 24 hours, and as she continues to move closer to land and cross cooler waters, she will weaken even more. However, besides California, both southern Nevada and Arizona will be feeling its effects. Biggest thing it's bringing is an increase in wind and that precipitation. As you saw today, we are under a wind advisory due to the winds Hurricane Hillary is bringing us. We are tracking today the tropical moisture from Hillary as well. This afternoon into tonight, we are expecting a lot of showers, 80% later today. Today and tomorrow is when we'll be seeing most of that action, and again, bringing flash flooding, gusty winds, severe storms. So whatever you're doing today, maybe it's your day off, I would grab an umbrella. Up to 44-mile-per-hour winds are possible today. Wind, rain, and cooler temps are what we're seeing. This hurricane is bringing a lot more moisture than we're used to, anywhere from half an inch up to nearly an inch in some areas. Today it is almost 7 a.m. Lots of clouds in the sky. There's that big rain cloud. So again, if you're maybe heading to church this morning, I'd grab an umbrella. Just be wary of the rain as well as when you're driving. 75 degrees outside and a 79% humidity outside. Again, that also is not going to help with the mosquitoes we just talked about. Metro Tucson, we're seeing temps in the mid-70s into the 80s. Further out, we see a couple pockets of temps in the 60s over in Cochise County. This is what your forecast today is looking like, and as you can see, there are rain cloud and storm icons throughout the rest of the day. That is because we are expecting an 80% chance of rain and thunderstorms this afternoon and into this evening. Finally, as we take a look at our 7-day forecast, as I mentioned, today and tomorrow are going to be our biggest days of seeing impacts from Hillary. 80% of showers and storms today, down to 60% tomorrow, but as we head into next week, the storm chances will lessen and we are looking at hotter temperatures into next week.